me show you. It's 41. It can power the system. Our inverter is 48 volts. So now we are going to carry out reading in each of the
first breaker.
So just on the DC breaker. So right now, so this system is down. Okay. So right now, we want to carry out each of the reading of this battery. Is 2 volts. So right now, let's check. Please just focus on the meter. So okay. Now, so please hold on. This is our. So now, please show the meter. Let's take the reading of our meter. This is 1.9. It's not even up to 2. Wow, come. So we are coming here. This is 1.7. This battery is fucking down. So it needs. So you can see 1.8. Wow. We have what? 1.6. So it's going down. What do we have? 1.7. Okay. Let's go. We are going. 1.7. 1.7. What do we have? 1.7. 1.7. Okay. We have a 1.7. 1.8. Okay. 1.7. 1.6. So 1.7. So right now I'm coming back. Okay, I have to reverse. Let me go back. Okay. 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 Let me try this. 10. No.
No water.
No. There's no water in this. There's no distilled water in this battery. Okay, so let's check this. No distilled water here. So let's check this. So we are checking this. This is 1.9. 1.9. So we have to check this back. Yes. There's water here.
Yeah.
1.9. So let's check this back. So we have to check this. 1.9. This is the positive. What are we getting? 1.9. 1.9. So let's check this. 1.9. Okay. Some of these batteries, they have 1.9. This is 1.9. 1.9. This is 2. This is 2 volts. This is 2 volts. This is 2.1. 2.1. Okay. This come up a little bit. So let's check this 2.1. 2.1. So we are going to check this back again to see. This is 56. So you see the charge controller is on. So the controller is on. So the charge controller have boosted up. So right now it's charging, but we have issue when we turn the system off. It go down drastically, giving you 41, and it cannot power the inverter. This shows that some of these batteries, they are powered, so they cannot withstand the. This is our system. Our system. It's a 48 volts. It's a 48 volt system. You can see. That is showing that the battery is fully charged. It's showing that it's not working. But immediately you turn down the PV. Okay, now I'm going to put it on. There's no loads. There's no load. I'm going to put it on. There's no load. Okay, so there's no load. I'm going to put it on. So right now, you can see. So this is output. So right now, I'm going to turn off The output is 220. This shows that this inverter is working. So, but I'm going to turn off the DC breaker. And the error 04 me low battery. So if you go back to your manual from your pure sine wave, this is showing you that error 04 infelicity inverter telling you that error 04 means that this battery is low. So just take a look. Is there manual? Give me the manual. Okay, but if you check your manual, error 04 means low battery. So this have shown that the battery is bad. So thank you. Welcome.